Hello and welcome back to my channel of free trade analysis. If you guys are new to my channel, then just hit that subscribe button so you guys do not miss on any of the profit that we make on daily basis. So when we were discussing gold previously, market was trending over here and we marked this area as an area of resistance, and you guys can clearly see that market closed below our resistance area and went short and gave us a good profit. So let me take that trade for you guys. So if you guys would have followed my trade and taken an entry over here, then you guys would have made a profit of approximately 2%. And if you guys would have waited a little, and if you guys would have shorted from here, then your stop loss would be just over here, and your take profit will be approximately 2.6%, which is again wonderful. And as soon as market tested our area of support and gave us a good buying opportunity, maybe we could take an entry of buying. Our stop loss would be approximately over here, and our take profit will be approximately uh, not here, but rather over here. So this trade would have only given us a 0.6% profit before we would have hit our stop loss. So we can say that this trade would have given us only a break-even point. So considering these trades, so now I would move these scenarios forward as market has mostly remained sideways. So these scenarios are very much valid for tomorrow as well. So I am going to move them forward. So you guys can easily do trading tomorrow as well, simply by following the given key. Okay, something like this. Okay, so quite simply, as you guys can clearly see that this key is going to remain same. So if you guys want to make any good profit, just follow this key, and if you guys want to do anything further, just let me know in the feedback section and I will get back to you guys as soon as possible. Thank you. That's all for the today's video. Just click on the subscribe button and do share it with more people, and also click on the like button. Thank you.